Come here.
Oh, look at the turtle. Look at the turtle, that one.
Hey, Luke! Luke, there's a bass right over here. Come here. Come on.
Where is he?
Right here, right here.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, tighten your drag. I don't really know how.
All right, Luke, what do you got?
Real man.
I got a big bass.
Yeah, give me that net. Yeah, I'll bring it up.
Thanks.
Oh, dang. Oh, he's around.
Oh, look, there's a big.
Don't worry about what else you see. Reese, got a bass.
How do I get him out?
Luke.
It's a big. I am Luke.
I know. He asked who got it.
Yeah, he's wrapped himself around that pole. It's right there.
Net down and try to
He's too short.
Let me see if I can get.
He has a bass, but it wrapped himself around. He keeps going around.
It wrapped around. It's a nice sized bass.
He's still. Oh, he's going.
19
inches long. You want to measure him?
I hooked this bass and it swam around and hooked itself around the dock, and they helped us get it out, and I have it now.
All right, who's the crew? Hey there. Thanks, guys.